Hello, good all morning to all my friends out there. If you want low budget and very delicious breast chicken dish, you better watch this one and learn. Very affordable and very delicious, my friend. I love you. Main ingredients and pork and beans, garlic, onion, and chicken breast. You okay this one, you okay, and you put the ingredients, and you okay, and you put the chicken breast and wait for a while, and saka okay, at saka you put a soy sauce. It's very simple cooking, my friend. You put a soy sauce and you put a Hans pork and beans. It's easy way to cook, my friend. It's very delicious, my friend, just like a fritada chicken, a fritada, my friend. Oh, it's okay, my friend, luto na, my friend. It's very easy. And red bell pepper, and okay that one, and very delicious. Look at that, my friend. This is the finished product of chicken breast with pork and beans, my friends. Very delicious, very affordable, my friend. It's just like a chicken fritada, my friend, but it's a simple way, my friend, because low budget tayo, my friend. Low budget and no money to buy any expensive food. Good morning, my friend. This is a chicken breast with pork and beans. Let's do it, my friend. Very delicious, my friend. Lagay ko na lang dito, my friend. So very delicious and very affordable. You cook this one, my friend, in your home, my friend, and you see the deliciosity of this kind of dish. Very hot, just like me. Joke. Let's eat now. Just like chicken fritada. Look at that. Look at the tenderness of this chicken breast. Look at the sauce. Very easy, my friend, but very affordable and very delicious. What you are waiting for? Hey! Just cook now. Ganun ko lang, my friend, para klaro ta. Kauta. So delicious. Wow! Hello, my friend. Easy way to cook, my friend. Very easy. The deliciosity. The deliciousness, day. The deliciousness. No deliciosity. Deliciousness of this chicken breast with pork and beans. No way sa akin yan. Mga luto-luto. Simpleng luto lang. Eat it. Very hot. Very hot just like me. Joke lang. I'm just kidding. Kidding, kidding. Very affordable and very delicious. You better to learn low budget dish because today is very crisis in our country. So you have a discarding. If you want to eat this delicious and very affordable chicken dish, you discard it, my friend. Because some of our basic commodities is very not so high, but the price is high. Now it's coming December. Nah, the price of this one, I don't know. The price of the chicken is high or steady. So the sauce talaga out dito, my friend. Excuse me, friend, ha? The sauce is, this one is very delicious kasi. Yan na my friend para very delicious but very affordable. No. You try this at your home, my friend, ha? Chicken breast with pork and beans or any kind of beans in your hometown. Hindi ko na ito maubos, my friend. Ibigay ko na sa aking my friend, parents, my friend, kasi para may ulam naman sila. But remember, be wise in your budget. My friend, I love you and good morning.